Hello, welcome to my channel. My name remains Chris Obi, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a seller account, how to open a seller account, as well as upload your products to sell. Okay, but before we dive into it, let me explain a bit what Selar is all about. So Selar is a platform where you can sell your digital products or even your physical products. As I say, the best way to sell your digital products online. So in Selar platform, what makes it fantastic is you can sell to any country of the world. You can receive payments from seller from any country of the world. What that means is that even if you are in Nigeria and you are selling to the US market, you will receive your money in dollar. You are in Nigeria and a Ghana customer wants to pay, they can pay in their local currency without any hassle. That's one of the things that makes this platform one of the best places to sell your digital products or even your physical products. Okay, and it is quite easy. It's quite easy to use. They have a user-friendly interface. Everything is straight to the point. Alright, so if you want to start using Selar to sell your products, the first thing you need to do is you click the link below this video or go straight to selar.co. Okay, click the link below this video so that you get to this place. And once you're in this place, what do? You click on this big button, start selling with Selar, or here, start selling. Any of this link will take you to where you need to register. So let's go ahead and click on start selling. Alright, and it will bring you to this place where you register your account. As you can see, it follows the normal processes of registering any account. You enter your name here. For this training, I already have an account, so let me just use a random name to register so that we can move on. Let me use a random name to register, and I'll use another email. Okay. And your password. Okay, so for purpose of time, let's use suggest password so that you can get the password you want quickly, or you can type any password you want to use. Alright, so after that, just click on create account. Okay, look at this place now. There's a space here and there's not supposed to be space. Okay, so I can just close all the space and then click on create account, and that is it. Your account has been created. You can see you have taken straight to your dashboard, and the next thing that you may need to do is you go and then set up your bank details. Go and set up your bank details, and to do that you click on this button here, set up bank details. Click here. Okay, you first of all select your country. If you are in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, Kenya, South Africa, select your country, select your right country so that they'll be able to bring out the right accounts, bank details for you. So I've chosen Nigeria, then my bank. Now choose your bank. Click here to choose your bank. Okay, choose your bank. Okay, let me just choose any bank and continue. Choose UBA, United Bank for Africa. Okay, then the account number. Alright, then click verify account details. Alright, once the account detail is correct, your name that came with the account will be here. Now click on continue. Say yes. And that is it. You are there already. So the next thing is to do what? Is to add products to your store and start selling. So it is that easy. It is that easy. So I don't want this video to be long. So the next thing would be to add products to your store, and I will show you how to do that in our next tutorial. Okay, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video so that others can benefit from it. Thank you.